Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to VRCooks. In this video, I'll be making Junnu. I know I must be making sense mostly to the Telugu people, but for others who don't know what Junnu is, it's a milk pudding prepared using colostrum milk that a cow produces for the first few days after it delivers a calf. It's also famous as Ginnu in Karnataka and Kharvas in Maharashtra. And yes guys, it's not always that we get colostrum milk, right? So in this video, I'll be making Junnu without using colostrum milk. So let's jump into the process and see how this goes. So for this recipe, we would need Jaggery 120 grams, sugar powder 50 grams. In fact, you can put more or less depending on how sweet you like your dish to be. Elaichi powder 1 tablespoon. Eggs, take 4 of them. Pepper powder half a tablespoon. And half a liter of full cream milk. Now here's what to do. Crack the eggs and then start beating them. I'm using a hand blender to do that, and if you don't have a blender, no worries, you can always use a whisk. Now add milk to the mixture and beat again. At this point of time, add in Jaggery. Now goes in sugar powder, elaichi powder, and finally it's time for some pepper powder. And for one last time, use the blender and mix them again. Now transfer the mixture to a container. And then put this container in a steamer. Steam for about 20 minutes. It's about 20 minutes. So let's see what the dish is up to. You can insert a knife to check if it's clean. If nothing sticks to the knife, that means it's done. The dish is ready. Now go refrigerate it for an hour and then have it. Enjoy. So that was it guys. Please like, share, and do not forget to hit that subscribe button. The more you subscribe, the more I get encouraged to do such videos.